Hi, this dance is called Play With Me, choreographed by Chika Hapsari from Indonesia and also Herman Baso, also from Indonesia, on July 2024. There are 32 count, 4 walls, improver level line dance. There is no take, no restart in this dance. So without wasting any more time, let's start with the section 1. Okay, section 1. Step forward, left foot with heel in, recover on left foot with hook on the right foot, and then lock shuffle forward, step left foot forward, right foot brush forward, and then step forward, half turn to left, recover on the left foot. And then section 2, Dorothy step. Forward, lock, forward, the other way around, lock, forward. And then mambo forward, step forward, recover on back, touch or cross behind, and then make a unwind, half unwind to left. Weight on the left foot. Section 3, make a wind to right, right, cross behind, side, close touch, and then quarter turn to right, step left foot back with right foot toes out, step right foot back with left foot toes out and coaster step. Then section 4, jump diagonally forward and close touch, jump back diagonally backward and close touch, and then round full circle. Okay, 5 and 6 and 7 and jump. Okay, now let me repeat with a count. I'll do it slowly. Section 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, wall 2, wall 2, section 1, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, Dorothy, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Okay, that's all the tutorial of our new collaboration choreo. I hope you like the music, you enjoy the choreo, and we look forward to see your demo version. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.